Hello. While I'm removing a old backlight lamp from my reflector, I discovered we cannot install a UB54 series inside the reflector because you see if you try to push all the way bottom, this is a bit narrower than 5.4, which is 50.4 series. You see this? So if you try to push in, this LED strip will like this. So because of this, we cannot use this reflectors. So, and I also take a look and try to mount it on the top and bottom here, but unfortunately, because this is an old screen, the plastic part of the plastic film must be inside of that, so inside of aluminum film. So the only way we can mount is we mount it on the plastic film frame. You can add additional one more strip for the heatsink, but for this 14-inch it should be okay. Actually this 14-inch old screen, so I'm using a 15-inch LED kit, so it still fits pretty well. So that looks like this is the only option. So we're gonna put it back now, because as I said, part of the screen has to sit inside of the aluminum frame, so there's no way to mount it here. So okay. Okay. Okay, well, let me see. Just make sure I adjust this plexiglass in the correct position here. It's clean on the edge. Oops, there's some dark on it, so maybe it's one of the, yeah. Alright, so it's ready to be installed. Let's put back the plastic film here and just put it back. Alright, now we just have to put back a make sure it's tight, it's in. We just have to put back a liquid glass. Liquid glass is go this side. Of course, make sure it's clean, right? Clean. Okay, we just put it back. Let's see what happened here. Okay, just hang on. Okay, right. Okay, looks like it's in. Okay. Okay. Now we have to. We had to put back the other circuitry here that I move out. Later I discovered because we had to mount the backlight lamp and straight to a plastic. Alright, there's a screw. Okay, this screw, but your hand still can handle it. I'm going to use towel. So make sure when we put this one back, I can easily access on the bottom of the screen. Okay, this is a little bit tricky part here. I fell off this one. You have to put it back exactly like the way it should be. So in this case, okay, you have to slice in. Okay, slice in on the top. Okay, make sure you have good contact. And then this one you have to move a little bit this way. See, sit in the flat. Do the same thing. The second one, yeah, sit on the flat. Use a small head to make sure it's good contact. Push this plastic in to tighten up this connection, the flat ribbon cable. Okay, so it's loose. Same thing here. Tighten up one side at a time. Okay. Now, to secure this tool, we had to use a. Here's my previous right here, piece of tape. Alright. Well, I don't need to use the glove, so let me remove it. Makes much more easier. this. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna put this one back. Four small screws. There's one more here. Now we're gonna put back the metal film. Remember, I put a towel here. It's easy to access. Get your hand behind. Get it? Double check. Make sure the liquid glass sit inside the metal film and flip over. And get a. Let me see which side is it. This is the right side. Okay. So make sure it goes in the right direction. Yep. Yeah, there we go. You kind of feel it. If it's 6 right position, you kind of feel it. And then you just bend these clicks all the way. Each size, see? Just bend it. Bend it. Bend it. Yeah, click noise. Okay, now stick all the way. Bend it this way. Okay, this is old screen. It's not that easy, but we did it. Okay, now the last thing, we put all the screw back. There's 4 screws that holding the plastic film in the back. Okay. One more. You're going to secure this wire. That's what I did. And add aluminum foil. There's a piece of tip here. Secure this. Okay. Secure this. Add aluminum foil to cover this light breathing now. So okay, one. One's done. The other one. Do the same thing. Well, it's done. It's not that easy than what I thought, but finally we get it done. Thank you for watching.